Hi guys, this is Kratos from TTD, the Tech Discovery. In this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how to download the latest Windows 10 ISO file for free. You will find lots of websites out there offering you direct links to Windows 10 ISO files. Some of these sites may be genuine, but more often than not, you might either be ending up with an ISO file that has somehow been manipulated by either incorporating an app to it, or maybe making some modifications that would serve the interest of the distributor. In some other cases, these ISO files may not be the latest one released by Microsoft. So the method I will be showing you guys in this tutorial only ensures that you have a fully genuine Windows 10 ISO file, but also that you have the very latest one offered by Microsoft at whatever time you're watching this video. And just to mention, you don't need a USB stick for this process. You only need a good internet connection in order to make the process as fast as possible. And now, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So go to the description and click on the first link. The link is gonna take you to my website. From there, just scroll down and click Microsoft product download page. If watching a video is not actually your thing and you just like reading, then you can find all the steps in this page. The link should take you to the page, to this page. From this page, click on where it says download the tool now, and that should download Microsoft Media Creation Tool. It's about 20 megabytes and it should download quickly. After downloading it, simply run it by double clicking it and hit yes on the user account control and wait for the file to load. Here, accept the license terms, and after some time you should have this window asking what you want to do. Here the default option is to upgrade this PC now, but you want to select create installation media for PC, for another PC. This includes USB flash drive, DVD, and of course ISO file. So select that and hit next. On the next page, it asks you to select the language, architecture, and the edition of Windows 10 you wish to have. By default I have English US as the language, Windows 10 edition, and then 64-bit architecture as the recommended options. If this is okay for you, then just hit next to continue the process, but if you wish to change any of these parameters, then first uncheck this box that says use recommended options for this PC, and only then you will be able to change the default settings. Then select the settings that matches the space of the PC you intend to use the ISO file for installation. On the architecture, there are three options: 32-bit, 64-bit, and both. If you already know the architecture of the PC you will be installing your Windows 10 on, then just select it. But if you don't, or if you have multiple PCs you wish to install Windows 10 on, then your best bet is to select the both option. This will of course require more storage space on your drive and a bit more time to create, but that's better than downloading the wrong version. On the next page, it asks you to choose which media you want to use to store your Windows installation files. Here you want to select ISO file and then hit next. It then asks you to choose the location to save your ISO file. I will keep mine on the desktop. You can actually rename it as you like. If you like, I will just leave mine as the default option and hit save. Now, as soon as you do that, the media creation tool will start to download the Windows installation files, and then afterwards it will automatically begin to create the ISO file. From here you only need to wait for the entire process to complete. You can keep working on your PC if you want the whole time. Just make sure you remain connected to the internet to ensure that the process is not interrupted. The time it takes to complete this process depends on a few factors, mostly your internet speed. Good internet speed actually is gonna save you a few minutes. Mine took between 15 to 25 minutes, Also, if you have a good PC, this it's gonna play a big role like in creating the ISO file after downloading. So a good processor and a good RAM could save some more minutes for you. I will stop the video for now, and I will come back when it's finished. Okay, it's done. Let's look at the results. You will see the link to the location where the ISO file was saved. Now, since I'm not burning into a DVD, here I will just like hit finish. And now when I go to my desktop, I have this Windows 10 ISO file, which I can either burn into a DVD, to a USB stick, or as a virtual machine, or whatever I want to do with it. That's it for this tutorial, guys. Give us a thumbs up if you found it useful, share it with your friends, and drop a comment if you have any questions or if you have like feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Kratos, and see you in the next one.